Berta Cruz Gailey, guardian ad litem for the children.
Who's going to be giving testimony today?
I have questions for Miss Alicia Hankins and just a few questions for the children.
All right. Would you all please raise your right hands? Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony given in this case is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right. Go ahead. Y'all can have a seat. Go ahead, counsel.
Will you please state your name?
Alicia Renee Hankins.
And Danielle is age 14.
Yes.
And Danny is age 13.
Yes.
And you have lived with the children for over 11 years? Well, you've been a part of the children's
Yes.
lives for over 11 years, right?
Yes.
And you were their stepmother.
Yes.
And the father, Danny Roy Hankins Sr., passed away on September 28, 2018.
23rd. Yes.
And his death certificate is on file with the court.
Yes.
And the biological mother, Katrina Langford's parental rights were terminated in this court on November 14th, 2019.
Yes.
And this court has continuing exclusive jurisdiction over these children. There was a prior SAPSR that gave Danny Roy Hankins Sr. sole managing conservatorship of the children. Yes. And after he passed away, there was a modification that named you as sole managing conservator of the children. And the interstate placement information is on file for this case, and the children have lived in Travis County their entire lives.
Yes.
And an adoption evaluation was conducted by the Domestic Relations Office, and the guardian ad litem is recommending adoption.
Yes.
And Katrina Langford was ordered to provide a medical history report, but she's failed to do this. But as stepchildren, you're aware of some of their medical history, and you're in connection and contact with their extended family members.
Yes.
And both Danielle and Danny have signed consents to be adopted.
Yes.
There's no criminal history, you don't have any criminal history, any CPS history.
No.
And is it your intention to provide a loving home?
Yes.
And you understand that you will be a forever parent? And do you understand that there's no return policy?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, and you understand that you'll have the same rights and duties as any other parent?
Yes.
And you could be asked to pay child support in some future court hearing for them, right? And they will have the right to inherit from your estate. And are you asking the court to allow you to legally adopt both Danielle and Danny?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to also amend their birth certificate to add your name to it?
Yes, please.
And neither child is requesting a name change, is that right? And I just have a few questions for the children. Danielle, I'll ask you first. Are you asking the court to allow Alicia Hankins to adopt you today?
Yes.
And do you understand that you are creating a forever family? And she will be your mother, I'm sorry, forever and for always. And you understand that this is a final decision, there's no return policy for Nancy. Okay, and you're not asking for a name change today, right? You're gonna continue to be Danny Roy Hankins Jr. Okay, and Danielle, are you asking the court to allow Alicia Hankins to adopt you? And do you understand that you're creating a forever family? And she will be your mother for always and forever. Okay, and do you understand that this is a final decision and there's not gonna be a return policy for Alicia? Yes. And you're not asking for a name change, your name's gonna continue to be Danielle Lynn Hankins. I have no further questions.
You want to give a report to the court?
Yes, Your Honor. I filed a report, and I've been working with this family for several months. I got a whole year, and I believe it will be in the best interest of Danny and Julius to be adopted by Ms. Hankins.
Anything else, counsel?
Nothing further.
The court takes judicial notice of the court's file, having heard the evidence, the court finds that all the legal prerequisites have been met, and the court grants the relief requested, grants the adoption. Pictures is one more very important thing we have to do, and I know the kids may be a little older. Lots of lovies here that are looking for a good home, if y'all want to come pick one up.